Okay, so going into the base, we have a shop front here on the right, and then we have our airlock on the left here. Obviously, you want to place that first door on the right hinge, that way you have a nice airlock when you go in the base. So behind this first garage door, you have your entrance to the main floor, but you also have 3 furnaces here behind this window. You can seal this off very nicely with a reinforced glass window, but if you don't have that yet, you can just use metal window bars as well as the embrasures, as you can see here on these windows. Those windows are great for giving you coverage of the front of your base and that right side. If you go here through these 2 garage doors, you can see we can access our shop front, as well as we have a secondary exit here, which can help when flanking door campers and also gives us some more coverage on the left side of our base. So going through these garage doors here on the left, we have access to our secondary loot room. This loot room contains about 4 boxes, large boxes, 2 small boxes, and a repair bench, and you also have room for a shotgun trap. Now you can kind of do whatever you want there, but that's just to give you some idea of how you could use the space. So going into our main area, we have 3 more furnaces and a locker. Now you can mix and match these. You can have more furnaces or more lockers. It's really up to you. As you can see here, I put a chair here. This gives you 100% comfort and it's great for healing up quickly. So as you can see, we can easily fit both of our workbenches in this hallway while still being able to move pretty comfortably. So in the core of our base, we can fit about 5 large wooden boxes in a fire pit while still being able to access our TC very nicely. So as you can see in the TC, this is the upkeep for the final version of the base. I'll show you in the next section when we build the base how you can do this modularly and why you can implement stone for those early phases of the game. So stay tuned for the next part. Well, this will pretty much conclude the build for the Bulldozer, a great solo duo base. So this is obviously made completely out of stone. So when you do upgrade, make sure you upgrade those back walls behind the TC and the core loot room to high quality metal or sheet metal before you do the honeycombing. It'll just make it a lot easier to reach those back walls, as it can be difficult after you've already placed everything. If you guys like this video and you want to see some more building content and solo bases and stuff like that, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a video of me playing out this base in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for that as well.